Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel TKF Electronics. I hope all are doing well. So today I got Pioneer 350 player for repair, CDJ-350. The issue in this player, let us check after connecting the power. What is the issue in this? Power is on. I will put it on. See, power is blinking, flashing. So this is the problem in this. So guys, we'll check it out. What is the issue in this? So I have already removed some screws backside, so instead of wasting more time, so I have already disconnected some screws. So we'll dismantle this one and we'll check it out. So we'll take it out. So we'll check some voltages. We'll connect the power. So power is on. See, still we'll put it on. See, still same problem. So we'll check some voltages over here. What's the issue in this? This IC also getting very hot. This IC is getting very hot. Let's check the power. Some voltage are dropping over here. So guys, this IC is also getting hot. We'll check actually how much voltage I should get. It's not getting because it's not on. See, I should get some voltage but it's not coming. What we will do means see, it's getting hot also, this IC. I thought this motherboard is shorted somewhere, so I'll put it off first. I'll put it off now. So we'll check some resistance check, ohms check. See guys, I'm showing some shorting ohms here. See, so we'll remove all this screw. So guys, I removed all the screws. See this one, this is the old one. So I got the new one also. So in front of you only I will remove it out. This is the new board. This is the new board. This is the old one. So we'll take it out. This one. This we'll put now. Well, the climate is very good today here in India, Mumbai. It's raining outside. We can hear the sound of the rains. You can hear the sound. See, so the climate over here in Mumbai is very nice. So rain is going on, heavy rain is going on outside. So I'm enjoying the weather also, and as well as I'm repairing the Pioneer player also. So guys, now we'll connect the connectors. We'll put the power supply back afterwards. First connect this one. This one, this is for the sound. This is for the lens. This is the power supply. Connected properly, everything, all points. So now we'll put it on. I put it on now. We'll put it on now. See guys. So the problem is this one, motherboard is shorted. This main digital motherboard is defective, so I replaced with a new one. It's working. So we cannot do anything in this. If this IC is gone, we cannot do anything in this, because this IC won't be available in the market, so we have to directly replace with a new one, or otherwise small regulator, voltage regulator will get defective, we can replace it, but this one, no way. So now it's working fine. So we'll connect the USB or CD. We'll connect the CD. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Subscribe it, like it, share it, and recommend your friends also to watch my video. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.